Hey, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today we are going to talk about custom fields, about custom values, and about tags. And let's go back to my screen right here in the in AirChatty CRM. And at the bottom left in settings, you will find on the left side, you will find custom fields. If you go right here, you'll find a list of pre-populated custom fields. These are the custom fields that are there for the system use. You cannot delete them. You might be able to move them in different folders, which I'm going to show you how to create. But for now, you can't delete this one. So if you select one and you go to this drop down, there is no delete option. Okay, so what are these custom fields? They are designed to help you to populate automatically certain information within forms, within surveys, within text messages, emails, or even on your website. So, for example, if I just click copy here and I copy the first name, and then let's go, for example, let's go to contacts. And let's go to my only contact here. And if I refresh this again, so I see the whole field. Right. And if I go here and I go hi, and then I go Control V, hi, Alex, for example, because first name is Alex here. Okay, that's going to automatically add the name into the email that I'm about to send, or the text message if I select this option. We will talk about this later on, don't worry. So let's go back to settings in custom fields, and these are the custom fields. How do you create one? You go by adding a new field right here at the top right, and you have different options. You can create custom fields that are text input, so where people can input some text, or multiple line text, or a text box. All right, so if you click this one, it's going to look like this. This one is a little bit bigger. This one is basically in a box format. You can create custom fields for numbers, for telephone numbers, or for currency. You can create custom fields for drop down, multiple drop downs, radio buttons, date pickers, checkboxes, file uploads, and signature uploads as well. So let's create one which is called single line, and we go next and we give it a name. I want to create a custom field for business ID. So that's going to be the, the company ID with the government. So let's say business ID. All right. This is going to save in the object called contact. So at the contact level, it's going to be saved. It can save into a group. So the group can be the contact, the default one, general info, or additional info. Or I've created the custom group, and I'll show you how to create one called internal. Let's go to additional info. All right. And if you want to have a placeholder, which is basically a warning text that is telling them what to input there. So let's say, please input your business ID. All right. Or a pre-filled value, and also you can create a unique key name by default, because it's called business ID. It's going to be contact.business.id, but I can create whatever I want here, name it differently. Okay, I'm going to click save. You can also give a description as well. I'm going to click save. Right, so I've already created one earlier. I'm just going to put identification number. All right, I've already created one when I was testing something earlier, so I'm just gonna go with this one. All right, and now I have business identification number, and there you go. I have a unique key that I can copy from here and input it on a form, on a website, wherever I want to collect that information, or to show it back to the client via going back here via email or text or any other type of communication. So what I was saying, it was, hi, first name, we have your business ID as, and then I can go with custom value, some fields, business identification number, and that's going to populate automatically with, hi Alex, we have your business ID as whatever he gave us in the past, and we saved it there. Okay, so there you go. This is how you can create custom fields. Now let's talk about folders. So right here at the top you have folders. You already have 3 folders by default. I've created a 4th one. So let's say in this internal folder name, I want to create only custom fields that help my business, internal business, okay, to, you know, collect data. So let's go with single line, and maybe I want this one to be employee car number, whatever. Okay, it's an internal. I'm just gonna save it. Okay, I've created one. Okay, car registration number I wanted to say. Okay, or I don't know, I need custom fields for internal business. All right, then you want to delete these ones, you can just go 3 dots, delete, or you can move them in different folders right from here. And then if you go back, all fields, you have multiple custom fields that you want to delete at the same time. You can multiple select, and then when you click the drop down, you will have a delete option. You don't have it now because you've selected 2 of the default ones, but there you go. If I was to delete just these 2, no, you can't delete multiple ones. You can only delete one. All right, one by one. You won't have thousands of them. It's fine. You can move to groups, multiple ones. All right. Now let's go to deleted fields. Basically here, whatever field you delete, they will show in the deleted fields. And you also have the audit logs page that is going to take you to a place, there you go, where I've deleted my previous custom fields, and I can completely, if I want, restore them from here. Otherwise they will just stay here as deleted forever, but I can still keep track of them and have an idea of what fields I used before, and if I ever need them again, I can come back and restore them from here. Right, let's move to custom values. In custom values, you can click plus custom value, and let's say you're running a campaign. Let's say we have Easter campaign, and the campaign name is 2023 Easter Bunny, I don't know, gift eggs. I'm just saying, okay, no matter what you write here, it's gonna be a long value maybe, okay, you save it, or a short value, it doesn't matter. Now whenever I go and I paste this custom key into an email, into a text message, into on my website or anywhere, this value is going to show up. Do you understand? It's really, really easy to organize yourself with custom values. It's pretty much similar with what's going on in UChat when you have custom fields and bot fields and so on. There you go. You have this in AirChatty CRM as well. And now if you want to delete this one, of course, or if you want to edit it from here, you have this ability to do it. And lastly, let's talk about tags. So tags, they work in the same way like on UChat. So basically you want to tag a client for something. Let's say I want to tag clients that are bots, clients of mine. All right, I'm gonna add a new tag in here, and then when I go back to that particular contact, that particular contact can have tags as well. Okay, so right here in tags, if I go bot, there you go, bot clients. Okay, I tag this client, or you can tag them in automations, and I'm going to show you in a future tutorial how to do this using automation. You can also create tags right here from the contacts directly. So if you go here and say this one is going to be client already, okay, he's not just a lead anymore, I can just add a tag right from here. So I have bot clients and clients, and if I go back to settings and I go to tags, now I can see the client tag in there as well. So this is it. Now you have it. It's how to use custom fields, custom values, and tags in order to help yourself minimize the efforts in communicating with your clients using AirChatty CRM. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching this today. Bye.